Good evening to everybody. I, Karishma.
And I, Harshita, welcome you all to the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 3, an initiative by L&D Global Mumbai and Connector. The genre for today's presentation is Media and Entertainment, which is mentored by Ms. C.G. Varghese.
To mentor our 24 great minds, we have the most talented panel of judges with us today. Ms. C.G. Varghese, Dr. Bhavi Modi, Dr. Ms. Deena Jain, Dr. Smita Gandhi, Ms. Simona Teron. We welcome all of you today. We also welcome our very enthusiastic director, Mr. Pranavesh Shenoy.
Thank you.
And hereby we declare the presentation phase of the Battle of Great Minds Season 3 open. Until you realize how easy it is for your mind to be manipulated, you remain the puppet of someone else's game. A zealous group of 6 thoughtful and inquisitive people who are amiable, sincere, and as hardworking as ants. Presenting you Group C Urja.
रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, स्वास्थ्य और शिक्षा, यह है किसी भी आम आदमी के जीने की मूलभूत आवश्यकताएं। लेकिन इसमें एक नाम और जुड़ गया है, वह नाम है मीडिया और एंटरटेनमेंट। क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि आजकल के जमाने में बिना मीडिया और एंटरटेनमेंट का जीना तकरीबन मुश्किल है? तो जरा ठहरिए, इसे भी देखिए।
मैं तो निर्दोष था, लेकिन तुमने चीख चीख कर मुझे दोषी ठहराया, और आज इसी के कारण सब लोग मुझे दोषी की नजरों से देख रहे हैं। जब आज कोर्ट ने फैसला सुनाया मेरे निर्दोष होने का, वो भी कोई नहीं मान रहा। ये सिर्फ तुम्हारे कारण हुआ, मीडिया वालों।
मैंने क्या किया? मैं तो एक रिपोर्टर हूँ। मैंने तो सिर्फ वही किया जो मेरा काम है। कभी नहीं कहा कि तुम अपराधी हो। मैंने सिर्फ अपनी जताई थी और आर्टिकल 19(1) और आर्टिकल 19(2) के अनुसार मेरे जो अधिकार है उसका उपयोग किया।
क्या आपको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है? ठहरिए, हम बताते हैं। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है केशव झा और हम टीम ऊर्जा आज आप सभी को बताने वाले हैं कि मीडिया ट्रायल्स और क्रेडिबिलिटी होती क्या है। सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि मीडिया ट्रायल्स होती क्या है। तो मीडिया ट्रायल्स मतलब वह कि जब कोई मामला कोर्ट में सुनवाई हो रही हो, कोर्ट ने कोई फैसला नहीं सुनाया हो और तब तक कोई प्राइवेट मीडिया एजेंसी उस फैसले पर, उस सुनवाई पर अपनी तरीके से छानबीन करके कोई निर्णय सुना दे, तो वह मीडिया ट्रायल्स होती है। मीडिया ट्रायल्स को कुछ लोग अच्छा मानते हैं, कुछ लोग बुरा मानते हैं। हमारा मकसद क्या था ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाने का, क्यों हमने यह टॉपिक चुना है? तो सबसे पहला जो मेन कारण है, वह कारण यह है कि हम लोगों को बताएं कि मीडिया ट्रायल्स होती क्या है, लोगों को यह बताएं कि मीडिया क्रेडिबिलिटी क्या होती है, मीडिया के प्रोज और कॉन्स क्या है, लोगों को हम यह बताएं और लोगों को हम यह भी बताएं कि अब तक हमारे देश में कितने जो मीडिया ट्रायल्स के केसेस है वो हो चुके हैं। अब मैं चाहूंगा वैभव बात को आगे रखें।
Yes, so now we will see some of the most important cases of media trials in India. As most of these cases have been represented in movies or in web series, so you all may be aware of these cases. First comes the Sanjay Dutt case, the very important media trial case. Sanjay Dutt was a very renowned actor of Indian film history, but the media has accused him of having RDX, but he was truly and purely having just weapons for his self-defense. And even the court has said that. But media just represented this, that he has RDX for having the attention and making something interesting news to their audience and readers. So the question comes, क्या मीडिया को सिर्फ ऐसी न्यूज दिखाना है जो ऑडियंस को इंटरेस्टिंग लगे, या मीडिया को एक्चुअल फैक्ट्स रिप्रेजेंट करने ऑडियंस को? This is a very important question really. Then comes the Sushant Singh Rajput case, in which the media accused Riya Chakraborty of indirectly killing Sushant Singh Rajput. But court has not given any verdict or any decision till now. So क्या मीडिया के पास रियली ये राइट है कि उन्हें जो लगता है या वो जो चाहते हैं वो लोगों को बता दे, अपना खुद का डिसीजन बता दे? तो फिर इस हमारी पूरी नेशन में जुडिशियल सिस्टम की जरूरत ही क्या है? This is even a really important point. We should all think about this. Then comes the third point, हर्षद मेहता स्टॉक स्कैम. So even मीडिया ने सिर्फ ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बताए थे कि हर्षद मेहता गलत कैसे था, क्या क्या स्कैम हुआ था. किसी ने इवन ये सोचा भी नहीं कि हर्षद मेहता की तरफ से उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी दुनिया को पता चले, लोगों को पता चले. बट किसी ने ये सोचा नहीं, ना मीडिया ने सोचा, ना जर्नलिस्ट ने सोचा. उन्हें तो बस कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग दिखाना था अपने ऑडियंस को ताकि उनकी टीआरपी बढ़े. So now we will think upon and read upon the dark side of social media by Bhavya. Yes, Bhavya.
Thank you very much, Vaibhav. So I will be talking about the dark side. As we have all seen about the media trial, so moving forward to cyberbullying, which is one of the most important dark side of the social media, because most of the children are being victimized of cyberbullying. May it be commenting on a random person pic or creating a meme, may it be trolling someone, all other means through which cyberbullying takes place. Next one is hacking and frauds and scams. So basically, we all are aware that each and everyone, majority of the people, have the habit of posting minute detail on the social media, which kind of creates problem for themselves only, because hackers use this data and traps them. They also create frauds by using phishing activities or creating fake URLs or creating fake emails, and thereby trapping the people into financial frauds. I would just like to share a small poem on it, which I've taken from Brainly site. It is like that न जाने कितने बार हैकर्स ने हमारे प्राइवेट डेटा पे स्टैंड मारा है, न जाने कितने बार हैकर्स ने हमारे प्राइवेट डेटा को खुले में उछाला है. कई बार इनके डेवलपर्स ने अपनी गलती मानी है, तो कई बार उन्होंने हमें ही दोषी ठहराया है. सो सिंपल मैसेज, सावधान रहो, सतर्क रहो. Moving on to security issues. So basically, security agencies have been eyeing on us. So any statement, defamatory statement passed by us will put us behind bars. So one need to be very careful while posting anything on social media. Nandita, what are you doing? We have a presentation going on.
Sorry, I was just clicking a picture.
Yes. So this is a fourth drawback. This is the next drawback of our social media, that is addiction. Most of the people are addicted to social media, and this cuts them off from their social, personal, and professional life. Now, Nandita will take on the topic credibility of media.
Thank you, Vaibhav. For more than a generation, research has tried to identify the qualities that lead people to trust news. The work has concluded that general people want journalism to be fair, balanced, accurate, and complete. It can be unclear, however, what these broad factors mean or how news organizations can achieve them. The above said lines were quoted by the American Press Institute. So that brings us to the question, can we rely on media these days? Media credibility is questionable in the world that we live in nowadays. The question on credibility arises because we see a lot of political perception shaping the minds of common man. Along with this, there is bias, censorship, and selective exclusion, which doesn't help with the transparency and miss the full picture that we expect to see from media. With the rise in technology and social media, it's easy to confuse people that are we actually connecting or disconnecting, correct? We are certainly more networked, but more isolated. News floating on social media may or may not be credible, but certainly it does make the people on it feel more disconnected than connected. I would like Ifriha to continue from here.
So have you all already focused on the negative side of the media trials? Now, let me talk about the pros of media trials. A media trial is needed. The media trial is particularly relevant in cases that are kept hidden from the general public. The only way a person can learn about what is going around him is through the media. The media serves as a mirror, reflecting and presenting evidence to the public that they must be aware of. The media gives society a voice. Now, to address the question, why is media becoming a basic necessity in our lives? Newspapers, magazines, televisions, radio, and internet are all good sources of information. Each of these sources has risen to prominence as a powerful tool in their own right. Like, for example, it keeps us all connected. When an earthquake hits, people all over the world get to know about it in seconds and can organize help right away. Also, it gives voice to the voiceless. And it also helps in the growth of businesses. The media offers a forum for businesses to gain market share, thus keeping the economy afloat. I would now like to request Akanksha to take it forward.
Thank you. There are certain suggestions that can be considered when you talk about media. So media should be strategic while sharing information. It can think about what it wants to share, why it wants to share, and what it is that it wants to achieve. Media can try to not be influenced by the political parties. We can try and not expect from the journalists to share our agendas. Media, before going on camera, can try and do a proper research and can try and conclude only when it appears that the truth is being suppressed by some. Media can try focusing on giving a clear message. Although this sounds obvious, it is something some academics struggle with. Media can use very short words, sentences. Those are very simple, plain, and direct. Now I would like Vaibhav to continue further.
Yes.
1 minute
So the
left.
future prospects of media and judicial system can be a joint venture of both, which means taking the best out of the both of media and even the judicial system, in which we can make an organization of having renowned journalists with it and the main and head people of judicial system in it. And the renowned journalists can use their fast analytical skills to solve the cases of judicial system which are not being solved from a long period of time. And even with them, we can have the people of judicial system with their legal knowledge. So this way, the cases of various court cases which are not being solved from a period of time can be given speedy justice. Now I would like Akanksha to take back.
Thank you, everyone. Media's bold, it is powerful, it's callous reality. Media is exposing scams, media's change. Media should maintain its code of laws and ethics, social responsibility and credibility by not interfering in the matters of court so early. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. That was it from our side.
Thank you guys for such an amazing presentation. I would like the judges to take over for feedback.
I'm going last this time. Okay, I'm going to go first and be very quick. I would start from the back rather than in the sequence. So you guys started with a bang, but you ended with a fizzle. Like we were actually waiting to see Kim khatam ho gaya ke nahi, matlab. So I really feel like the teams that just went before you, their biggest thing working in their favor was the fact that they started strong, but they also ended strong. And I feel that that is something that you can work on because your guys started brilliantly and you did excellently. Some of you, if I had a media house, I would offer you jobs right away. So ladies, you really killed it. Ispreha, definitely. Nandita, 100%. Akanksha. You other guys were also great, but the kind of media house I would want to run, these ladies would definitely have jobs waiting for them. So I really like the fact that Vaibhav also, all of you, the entire team, the fact that it was bilingual was fantastic because that automatically always gives you the power to reach wider audiences. In this presentation, I don't know if it helped you or not. I liked it personally.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, Blazer Man, you were interesting to start with because like, you know, I think Pranavesh said the whole thing about, you know, Blazer bhi pen ke aa gaye. So that visual impression really helped and it created that aura around what kind of presentation we're going to get. The performative aspect I felt was a little too focused on in the beginning, and then that sort of you know, kind of carried it on, but it didn't really. It kind of, like I said, fizzled out towards the end. So I do feel that if you commit to something, commit to it all the way. And finally, I just wanted to say, yes, absolutely, just be consistent. And I like the choice of cases that you all picked up because these were all landmark cases in journalism and where the question of media trials did come up and were examined very closely, which up until then had not been done. So I really like that. That showed that your research was stellar. Absolutely. Again, props to your mentor for that. I have a feeling that there was some inputs there. And like I said, the diversity of approaches, each one of you have brought a different energy. Bhavya, come talk to me separately later about this something which we call, these lapse words. So that's the only negative or the only thing that took away, because your delivery was very powerful. It did not come across as scripted, but that also then brings in the aspect of the these are called, like, sorry for this French language, but they're called brain farts. It's when either your speech or your thinking are not in the same sync. We struggle. So we like with filler. We use filler words. So that's the only part I think that needs to work
Fumbling
on.
and
All of you were excellent.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
अभी से ना जजेस को 30 seconds का टाइम देना चाहिए.
Okay, I would say I really like the presentation and I like the energetic start. So आपने जो आपकी टीम का नाम ऊर्जा रखा है, तो ऊर्जा मतलब energy. So you fulfill the name, you fulfill the requirement of the name of your group. Full energetic start. But yes, as Simla ma'am said, by the end it somehow became little. The energy was lost by the end of the presentation. But otherwise, it was excellent presentation, and I really like the use of Hindi and English both. That was I really like, and I always prefer going for a multilingual, bilingual. Go for multilingual, whichever language you're comfortable with. Go, so that maintains the pace and flow of the presentation. So excellent job, and the way you started with the role play was something which I like. So well done guys.
बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत धन्यवाद. मैम एक बात, छोटी सी बात मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा. मैम हम भी जानते थोड़ी सी जो लास्ट में एनर्जी थोड़ा सा कम हो गया था मैम, क्योंकि हमारी जो मोस्टली लास्ट में जो पार्ट है वो आकांक्षा ने बोला, और आकांक्षा को कोविड पॉजिटिव है, तो शायद इसी कारण से उसका जो एनर्जी है वो थोड़ा सा लो दिखाई पड़ा होगा, तो इसके लिए बहुत माफी चाहते हैं हम.
केशव, इसके लिए माफी मांगने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. We really pray for her well-being. And you really guys, in whatever situation, in the current situation, whatever you're doing is just excellent. Excellent.
Ji.
Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys, on my end, Akanksha, get well soon. Please take care. It takes courage to not feel well and still be there for your team and present and do your part. So great work there. And I'm sure you'll be well very soon. Thank you, Keshav, for letting us know that, yes, you started with a bang, Keshav. We were very excited to see you start off, and the way you took off with that, with your language, with everything. Towards the end, I felt a little lost. I felt maybe there was too much that you all spoke about, and somewhere I was lost as to where did I start and where did I end. Nonetheless, it was informative because the cases that you all picked up, how media can cause an influence, and it was very much what we could associate to. We know all of this. We've seen there. We've seen it, been there, all of that part. So that was really great. And yes, your transition was good. I don't think there was a lapse where it comes to understanding who's going to go next, or, you said, okay, fine, now this one's going to take over. So that was very well done. We understand the later part that, yes, the last part was a little scattered, but I guess all in all, great work. All in all, great work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very
much, ma'am.
So I think most of the pointers have already been shared as always. But having said that, what I liked is there were questions put up, at each point of your presentation. So that was a plus because that keeps you thinking on what you're talking. Having said that, your start was amazing. With your presentation, one thing I noticed is that you didn't maintain any theme. मतलब आपका हर एक स्लाइड का कलर भी अलग था, कोई थीम नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. So that was a little dampener because visual effect जो आना चाहिए presentation का वो नहीं आया. Overall, your speaking effect was excellent. So वो कहीं पे वो presentation हम भूल ही गए कि हम देख रहे हैं. So that is okay because you guys were very emphatic with your speech. Okay, get well soon, Akanksha. With whatever you are going through, you being here itself talks a lot about you, and a brownie point for that. Being from healthcare, I really understand what it takes for you to be here right now. So from my side, at least a brownie point to you for coming up and showing up here, because you could have easily excused yourself saying कि मैं नहीं आ सकती, and nobody could have forced you to come here. So on that note, great to see you, and my best wishes with you, and you will get well soon. I'm very sure of it. on that. So these are the few things that I noticed. And going to again your presentation, आपने शुरू किया था court cases से, फिर आप थोड़ा media पे चले गए, फिर आपने हमको pros और cons media के सुनाए, which was again not in sync with your topic. Okay, so that is something that जहाँ पे आप थोड़े हिल गए आपके topic से. और दूसरा जो था again I think जो end में आपने जो बोला वो बहुत ही जैसे पढ़ रहे ऐसे लग रहा था, that you're just reading rather than actually giving any messages to us. So that was very visible on your slide and I could easily read it. तो ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं मुझे आपकी तरफ से. So these are because your start was excellent, there was more expectation from you और वो expectation कहीं पे fulfill नहीं हुई. That's the only part. So it's not like your presentation was not bang on. Yes, you guys were fabulous. लेकिन आप जब एक बार raise कर देते और फिर अगर आप वो maintain नहीं कर पाते ना, तो then we start feeling कि कहीं पे कुछ छूट गया. So if you set an expectation, you set it right, and then you just have to move on and nail it. Okay. तो वो nail it नहीं हुआ. Minus, otherwise you guys were super. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, I see a very emotional Akansha. So here is all good wishes for a speedy recovery from all of us. Bhavi is giving her hugs too. So good job. Thank you so much, Akansha auntie. So when I heard the topic media trials, you really caught my attention because I was like, wow, ये तो कुछ अलग है, हटके है. मैं तो सोचती भी नहीं. I would have thought about the first two groups का मैं सुन लेती, समझ लेती, मैं भी कर लेती. But trials of media was something on a very हटके topic, and I feel you guys could have done a lot much more. Having said that, when you started it off, you caught our attention big time. But I could, as all of them pointed out, there was like a little flip sides or little downsides in each. What I could say is I didn't find the transition so much with the slides or the content, primarily because it was all over the place. You gave us so much of information, it was all over the place talking about many things, and I was waiting to hear your statistics on media trials and what it impacted, how it impacted, and where it led to what it led to finally. So in fact, it's a good job, and Team Urja's Bhavya, I would say, I'm sure by the time you go on with your presentations more, you will get there, so that who's and hers and could be taken care of. So I liked in fact, the bilingual or the multilingual aspect of it, it really brought in a different flavor. That's something you brought in new. Your topic name is something you brought in new. So these are some things which I really appreciated and which I really felt was a cut above the rest, right? So what you could have taken a little note was ending it on a higher note, probably, which you could do it for the rest of the presentations. Otherwise, fab job, and keep smiling, girls and boys. You're looking at it stressed now. Come on, smile. You've done a great job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, एक छोटी सी गलती और हमसे हो गई है, मैम. वो गलती ये हो गई हमसे कि लास्ट में हम सभी चाहते थे कि सीजी मैम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना, लेकिन हमने वो कहा नहीं कि समय नहीं था. तभी हम कह देते मैम, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका कि आपने हमको इतना कुछ सिखाया, इतना कुछ समझाया. हमने जितने प्रश्न किया आपने सबका उत्तर दिया, और कैसे छोटी छोटी बातों का ख्याल रखा जाए, कैमरा कैसे होना चाहिए, बोलो कैसे आप, हाँ जो है वो नहीं आना चाहिए, छोटी छोटी बातें आपने हमको सिखाई. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम, आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू कि आपने हमको इतना कुछ बताया. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
सीजी चॉकलेट के बिना मानती नहीं है. Okay. Okay. So guys, quick 5 things here. One, your flight didn't take off. It was already on the 37,000 height. Okay. When you started with Roti Kapda or Makan, I thought ये movie शुरू कर देगा अभी. So you were absolutely at 37,000 height. You fall down at a land. You landed at a very slow pace. But मेरे को वही फीलिंग हुई कि बहुत एट द एंड बहुत नीचे तक आया है. केशव, आपके लिए एक एडवाइस देना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर. देखो, आपको पता है आपकी एनर्जी बहुत ज्यादा है, करेक्ट. व्हाट यू कुड आल्सो बैलेंस्ड आउट इज, अगर आपको पता था कि आकांक्षा की तबीयत खराब है, यू कुड हैव kept her in between of the presentation, not at the end or not at the start. ओके, सो दैट वो क्या हुआ, जो पेस आपका ऊपर से नीचे जब बनाया हुआ पेस है वो पूरा फॉल डाउन हुआ. I agree, and I really appreciate Akanksha's presence here. But she could have placed in between, okay, where you think Vaibhav ka pitch was really great, Nandita's pitch was really great. I absolutely amazing starting. तो इन लोगों को आप कहीं ना कहीं वो बैलेंस आउट करके उसको पोजीशनिंग वैसे कर सकते थे. Too much of information, even on the presentation, even on the what do you say, dialogue. जब आप डायलॉग बोलते हो और प्रेजेंटेशन में दिखाते हो, अगर गड़बड़ यहां पर हुआ ट्रांजिशन में, तो प्रेजेंटेशन विल टेक अ टॉस. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं प्रेजेंटेशन में जितना कम पॉइंट्स डालो उतना बेटर है, बट जितना ज्यादा बोलो वो बहुत ज्यादा बेहतर होता है. ऑल्सो रिमेंबर व्हाट यू स्पीक. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ भी बोलो, बिकॉज पीपल आर हियर टू जज व्हाट यू स्पीक. And obviously your presentation, your body language and everything that you trying to say here. Nandita, absolutely stunning job on your things. थोड़ा सा अगर आप body language को और ज़्यादा क्या कहते हैं exposure दो, तो it could be much more better. Overall, I could say Team Urja, you could do a lot better. Where you could stand at 50% today, you are absolutely potential at 110% tomorrow. And I'm sure way ahead, आपके जैसे जैसे presentations होंगे, I'm sure you will be doing absolutely great. And absolutely, Akanksha, you'll all be great in the next presentation. I'm sure on that. And you will you will be in the opening batsman for the next presentation. Sure on that. Thank you so much, guys. It was from my side.
Valuable time. See you all next Sunday. Till then, keep watching our YouTube channel Connect Talk, collaborate, co-create and contribute. So thank you guys.